I burn a blunt, 2 blunts, I'm addicted to greens. I burn a blunt, 2 blunts, I'm addicted to greens. I burn a
smoking season.
Photos appear to show a dolphin caught up in some sort of trash, and now volunteers are searching for that dolphin.
New at 5 o'clock, our Bill Barajas is live in Galveston tonight. And Bill, this rescue...